How to long on margin trading. Long, it's when you buy at a low price and then sell at a higher price. In this way, you can earn a profit from the price difference. Let's suppose that the BTC price is currently at 10,000 BUSD, and you think that it will rise in the future. You can long and select cross margin or isolated margin mode to purchase BTC at 10,000 BUSD. Isolated margin can use higher leverage and get higher profits. So let's try isolated margin as an example. Transfer 10,000 BUSD as collateral from your spot account to your BTC BUSD isolated margin account. Select limit order. Click on borrow and input 10,000. Scroll to 100% and click on margin buy BTC. Once the order is completed, you would have borrowed 90,000 BUSD and bought 10 BTC at the price of 10,000 BUSD. How to earn a profit. After several days, if the BTC price goes up to 11,000 BUSD, you will use the repay function and sell 10 BTC at 11,000 BUSD each. Then, the initially borrowed 90,000 BUSD will be refunded automatically if the handling fees and interest are ignored. In this case, you would have 20,000 BUSD in your isolated margin account and earned 10,000 BUSD, which is a 100% profit. How to manage risk. The market may go in the opposite direction. It is recommended to use an OCO, one cancels the other order, to manage the risk. Select repay. Input price 11,000. Stop 9,905. Limit 9,900. Amount 10 BTC. Click on Sell BTC. If the BTC price drops to 9,905, a sell stop limit order at 9,900 will be placed, and the limit order will be cancelled. If the BTC price goes up to 11,000, a sell auto pay limit order at 11,000 will be placed, and the stop limit order will be cancelled. Here is how you can long on margin trading and manage your risk using the OCO order.